Hold a grain of sand between your fingers, feel its tiny form. Imagine its rough texture. It seems insignificant, almost invisible against the vastness of the world. Yet within that tiny speck lies a universe of its own. Each grain is a miniature world. It holds countless atoms, the fundamental building blocks of everything we see and touch. These atoms are mostly empty space. Tiny particles dance within them, a whirlwind of energy in constant motion. Now consider this. The universe we live in is also made of these same atoms. Everything we know, from the air we breathe to the stars that light our night sky, is built from the same fundamental ingredients. The grain of sand in your hand is a microcosm of the universe itself. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? The sheer scale of the universe is difficult to comprehend. Our journey to understand it begins with the familiar, with the world around us, and expands outward, step by tiny step. Let's start with what we know. Our planet Earth seems vast. Its circumference stretches over 24,000 miles. Its highest mountains pierce the clouds. Its deepest oceans remain largely unexplored. But Earth is just the beginning. Our moon, a celestial companion, hangs in the night sky. It seems close, yet it's over 238,000 miles away. That's about 30 Earths lined up in a row. To measure these cosmic distances, we use new yardsticks. The distance between the Earth and the Sun becomes our astronomical unit, or AU. 1 AU is about 93 million miles. That's a number so large it's hard to grasp. But even the AU seems small when we venture further out into the solar system. The distances between planets are vast, measured in tens and hundreds of AUs. To truly understand the scale of the universe, we need to shift our perspective, to think not in miles, but in the vastness of space itself. Our Sun, a blazing ball of fire, holds the solar system together. Its immense gravity keeps everything in orbit, from the smallest asteroid to the largest planet. Around it dance 8 planets, each with its own unique story and characteristics. These celestial bodies, though bound by the Sun's gravity, have their own paths and destinies. Mercury, the smallest planet, zips around the Sun at incredible speed. It completes an orbit in just 88 Earth days, making it the fastest planet in our solar system. Venus, shrouded in thick clouds, is a scorching inferno. Its surface temperature is hot enough to melt lead, and its atmosphere is thick with sulfuric acid clouds. Mars, the red planet, holds the promise of past life. Its surface is dotted with ancient riverbeds and the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. Jupiter, a giant among giants, could swallow over 1,300 Earths. Its great red spot is a massive storm that has raged for centuries. Saturn, with its majestic rings, is a sight to behold. These rings are made of ice and rock, and they stretch out over 175,000 miles. Uranus and Neptune, ice giants at the edge of our solar system, remain shrouded in mystery. Their atmospheres are filled with hydrogen, helium and methane, giving them their blue-green hues. The distances between these celestial bodies are staggering. Even light, which travels at 186,000 miles per second, takes over 8 minutes to reach us from the Sun. Imagine shrinking the Sun down to the size of a basketball. This helps us grasp the immense scale of our solar system. On this scale, Earth would be a tiny speck smaller than a grain of sand orbiting about 30 feet away. This visualization shows just how small our planet is in the grand scheme of things. Jupiter, the largest planet, would be a marble rolling around almost 200 feet from the basketball Sun. Its sheer size and distance are mind-boggling. The vastness of the solar system, even on this shrunken scale, is awe-inspiring. It reminds us of the incredible distances and the vast emptiness that lies between the planets, yet it's just a tiny speck in the grand tapestry of the universe. Our solar system is but one of billions in the Milky Way galaxy, which itself is just one of countless galaxies in the cosmos. Our Sun, the center of our solar system, is just one of billions of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. It's a massive, glowing sphere of hot plasma, providing the energy that sustains life on Earth. Imagine a vast, swirling disk of stars, gas, and dust so large that it takes light over 100,000 years to travel from one end to the other. This colossal structure is home to countless wonders and mysteries. That's the Milky Way, a galaxy that has fascinated astronomers and dreamers alike for centuries. Our solar system sits on one of the Milky Way's spiral arms, about 2/3 of the way out from the center. This arm, known as the Orion Arm, is our galactic neighborhood. we're part of a vast cosmic ballet, moving through space along with billions of other stars. Each star, like our sun, has its own story and journey. To grasp the Milky Way's immensity, let's shrink it down. Imagine if we could condense this enormous galaxy into a more comprehensible scale. If our sun were a grain of sand, the Milky Way would be a vast desert stretching across the entire United States. This analogy helps us understand the sheer scale of our galaxy. Even at this scale, the distances between stars are so great that they would be like individual grains of sand scattered across this enormous expanse. The vastness of space is truly mind-boggling. The Milky Way is our cosmic home, a vast island of stars, gas, and dust. It's a place of incredible beauty and complexity. Yet it is just one of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. Each galaxy, a unique island in the cosmic ocean, holds its own secrets and wonders waiting to be discovered. Section 5. Beyond the Milky Way. Clusters of galaxies in the vast expanse. The Milky Way galaxy is not alone. It is just one of the countless galaxies that populate the universe. It belongs to a group of galaxies called the Local Group, a small cluster in the grand scheme of the cosmos. This cosmic neighborhood contains over 50 galaxies, each with its own collection of billions of stars, planets, and possibly even life. Beyond the Local Group lie vast clusters of galaxies, each containing hundreds or even thousands of galaxies bound together by gravity. These clusters are linked together in a vast cosmic web, forming the largest structures in the known universe, stretching across unimaginable distances. Imagine that each galaxy in a cluster is like a single grain of sand, a tiny speck in the vastness of space. On this scale, a cluster of galaxies would be like a handful of sand scattered across a football field, each grain representing a galaxy. The distances between these clusters are equally vast, stretching across the universe like an endless ocean of space, with each cluster separated by millions of light years. The sheer number of galaxies in the observable universe is mind-boggling, each one a massive collection of stars, planets, and other celestial objects. Current estimates suggest there are trillions of galaxies, each containing billions or even trillions of stars, making the universe an incredibly vast and complex place. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, filled with wonders we are only beginning to explore. As we continue to study the cosmos, we uncover more about the nature of these galaxy clusters and the role they play in the grand tapestry of the universe. Section 6. Grasping the Infinite, from grains of sand to cosmic oceans. How can we even begin to comprehend such vastness? Let's return to our grain of sand. Imagine that each atom within that grain represents a galaxy. The number of atoms in a single grain of sand is roughly equivalent to the estimated number of galaxies in the observable universe. Now picture a beach. The sand on that beach represents all the galaxies in the observable universe. Each grain, a universe unto itself. And yet this is just what we can observe. The universe extends far beyond what we can see, perhaps even infinitely. The universe is a concept that stretches the limits of human comprehension. It's a humbling experience to realize how small we are in the grand scheme of things. Section 7. A humbling perspective, our place in the grand scheme. So, where does this leave us? We are but a tiny species on a small planet orbiting an average star in an ordinary galaxy. Our existence, when compared to the vastness of the universe, seems insignificant, but there's another way to look at it. We are a part of this universe. The same atoms that make up the stars also make up our bodies. We are, in a very real sense, children of the cosmos. The universe doesn't diminish us. It elevates us. It reminds us of the preciousness of life, the beauty of our planet, and the importance of our connections to each other and to the cosmos itself. Section 8. The unquenchable thirst for knowledge, our cosmic journey. Despite our small size, we have an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. We look out into the universe with wonder and curiosity, seeking to understand our place in the grand scheme of things. We send robotic explorers to distant planets, searching for signs of life. We build powerful telescopes that can peer back to the dawn of time. We unravel the mysteries of the universe, one discovery at a time. Our journey of cosmic exploration is just beginning. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the universe and our place within it. Section 9. A universe of wonder, our legacy in the stars. The universe is a vast and awe-inspiring place filled with wonder and mystery. From the smallest grain of sand to the largest galaxy, the cosmos is a tapestry of interconnectedness, a grand symphony of energy and matter. Our journey to understand this universe is a testament to the human spirit, our curiosity, and our desire to explore the unknown. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we carry with us the legacy of countless generations who looked up at the stars and wondered. The universe is our inheritance, a gift to be treasured and explored. Let us never lose our sense of wonder, our thirst for knowledge, or our responsibility to protect this pale blue dot we call home. For in the words of Carl Sagan, we are a way for the cosmos to know itself. Please subscribe to our channel and explore more about the universe with us.